Hi there, I'm Akita, and today I'm going to show you how to bulk create a good chunk of coloring pages in Nano Banana. Now this all came about because I was trying to get through some coloring pages and I was having to manually copy and paste them one by one, and I didn't want to do that. Nor did I want to invest in another subscription. I'm like, there has to be an easier way for me to I'm not going to call it lazy. I'm going to say be more efficient, to be more efficient with this process. And so I found something that I think that'll work for a lot of people. If you are being frugal, if your budget doesn't quite allow for it, or if you're like me and you just don't want to do the subscription, like whatever your situation is, that's what you're going to roll with. So here it goes. And before I dive in, if you're liking the learning, if you enjoy what you're actually witnessing and you can use it, please consider liking, subscribing, all that kind of good stuff. I'm saying it now because I tend to forget if I get too deep into the video. Okay, so this particular prompt is what I used, and you can it'll be in the description box below. Just go to file and make a copy, or just copy everything yourself. But you'll notice that my actual topic here is Easter themed coloring pages featuring beautiful little black girls, and all the different image prompts down here kind of go with that, but you can change that for yourself. So all you would do is just copy everything here, and then go into ChatGPT is where I did mine, and then type in the prompt, recreate the prompt with the subject being hypothetical monster trucks, and give it a birthday theme, rewrite the entire prompt. Then just paste the entire prompt from my prompt, my original one, down below. And then it's going to go ahead and give you a whole bunch of image prompts based off of what you want to generate. And all you really have to do is just grab this, what was there, and you're going to use that to do your actual generations and so forth. Okay, so what I basically did was this. I copied and pasted this entire prompt into my free Gemini account, because I like to test things in the free account sometimes just to see if it's available, because I've run into a couple of situations where it's not completely, stuff that's in the pro is not what's in the free, which, yeah, big surprise there, but some stuff has kind of taken me by surprise, so I like to run things when I remember or when I can in the free account. Let me show you what that looks like. All right, so here's my free account. I copied and pasted the actual prompt in here. Everything's looking good, and then we have the magic. So Easter themed coloring pages, I wanted just to have an image, then an image, then an image. You can generate sticker sheets and clip art bundles through Nano Banana and ChatGPT, to be completely honest. But I wanted just to have one image, one big image on one section, and that's what this gave me. So these are super cute, super duper cute. I think I asked for chibi, if I'm not mistaken. I think I asked for chibi. Right? But these are cute, right? And I wanted different hairstyles, different kind of poses that go with Easter. And it basically gave me what I wanted for the most part. And so I was feeling pretty happy with it. Now I would say, well, let me tell you this first. Then I repeat the same process with the same style with different Easter themed scenes. So I wanted to get more. So this one I have 10, sorry, I'm about to lose my voice. I have 10 images. I want another 10. Now, what you have to kind of keep in mind is you're going to want to test the prompts individually first to see if Gemini or Nano Banana is going to give you the output that you want. I happened to kind of throw these in there. I'm like, oh, these are cute. I'll use these. And I was fine with it because they turned out really, really good. But if you're someone I want a particular look or something like that, then you might want to just go ahead and just test out. I'm sorry about the scroll. I'm so sorry. Test out the image first to see what it's going to do for you. And then if you have to add a word, tweak a word, something like that, just feed it back in to the actual AI, and then you should be good to go. All right, so that being said, I done my next set of 10. Everything's looking super cute. This one came in color, but you can easily regenerate that. Just say, give me black and white, or make the eggs in the tree black and white. All good. But then we come to the second set of 10, right? And I'm trying to do the same exact thing again, and it's no. That's the caveat of this, okay? You can't just keep going. Usually by the third or fourth sequence, if you get out 3, that's 30 pages, which is more than enough for the typical coloring book, or even a set of coloring sheet packs you can use as a freebie or a lead magnet, or something that you're going to go ahead and post on your website or add as a little bonus if you're on Etsy or Teachers Pay Teachers or whatever you're actually doing. But then it stops doing that, okay? So bear that in mind, that you'll be able to go ahead and go in and do individuals. But as far as like the big chunk, which is what I was looking for, I just want like a big chunk, that it ends usually after the second or third generation. Now, of course, you want to go ahead and make certain that you actually like upscale these and clean them up and get that 300 DPI jumping off. But if you're someone who's like, I just need something really quickly, let me just get something started, this would be a good option for you. See, short and sweet. I'm surprised. Normally my videos are like 10 minutes or more, but that is about it for me. And I teach all kinds of stuff like this, tips and tricks and little things of that nature, and give out templates and custom GPT to help with your digital product creation for Etsy and Teachers Pay Teachers in my membership, Printables That Pop. I'll put the link below as well too. And if you're interested, click it, give it a look, or even join the Facebook group and see what we're talking about. All kinds of good shenanigans take place there. All right, that's it for me. Bulk create something in a little cluster and let me know what you think. Oh, and by the way too, this does reset. It'll do the same process again. So the way my mind worked with this, it was, as I'm doing my last minute thought, I figure as I'm actually doing stuff like here, because it's either time or money, right? I figure as I'm cleaning up these, I'm upscaling, I'm doing my DPI and et cetera, I work on a different project, I come back, maybe I generate like another 10, and then boom, clean them up, my actual book is done, or my bonus is done, or my printable pack is done, or whatever. Okay, that is it for me. Please enjoy at your leisure and do a little something, something. All right, bye.